Yo, what's up, guys? Sekwena here. Today is Thursday, fourth day of the week. Yesterday we had a big win. Let's see if today will we catch something. But anyway, there's this song playing in the background. Let me just Shazam it and see what's the name of it. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I'm not sure if you guys will because of the instruments. But screenshot. Yeah, I have to listen to this song. Yeah, anyway, guys, I'm not gonna cut that off the video because like that's how I live my life, and I want to make these videos as authentic and raw as possible. So excuse me. First of all, let me just put my fib to just right here. I want to see actually, because I'm looking at the buy. Overall, I'm looking at the buy, but I see that the market has already left us. So I'll be looking for a sell now. Overall, I'm looking at the buy, but obviously at where the market is at, it's more or in a demand zone, whereby we should sell. Or is it demand or supply? Guys, me, I don't know this stuff. I just trade, apply price action, but the market is reaching a level that I would say in simple words is a resistive level. This demand supplies things, but I think it's demand. I think it's demand. I know, guys, this is sound.
Stop it. Get some help.
But anyway, guys, all that doesn't matter unless if you are making money. Are you making money or it's a long story? Just like that. But anyway, guys, as I said, I'll be looking for sales potentially here. So I'm waiting for a movement like this. So I see the market is pushing to the upside. If I enter now, it will be like 70 pips, which could be a lot. So I think I'll wait for the market to push a bit to the upside, because 70 pips of stop loss, it's just a lot for me. I think I would settle for at least 50 pips. Although I use like 30. Yeah, I see there's a little bit of a push. So with this push, maybe, let me see. Yeah, let me see how many pips is this. 55. Okay, could do that. So I'm gonna execute just right here. Let me undo this. 57 pips of a stop loss. Then execute just right there. Anyway, guys, I'm having my risk interview for my payout today with Equity Edge. I will show you guys the email after this analysis. So actually, I just want, one is to, I'm risking $100. What is this thing doing now? Hi guys, you see these things of technology stuff? Guys, let me undo again. Yeah, so I'm risking $100 for 300. I want, 300 or 250. But I think there's a lot of liquidity just where the market is, so I'm gonna put it to the downside, just for it to be at least 300, 250. 1 is to 2.5. No, let me just put this line, horizontal line just right. 2.5. I'm just thinking, guys. Like I said, I just want to make these videos as raw as possible. This is how I trade each and every day. It's all about trade management. It's all about how much are you willing to put on the table, meaning how much are you willing to risk, and for how much are you willing, to risk that, for, you have to know your target as well. So that's what I'm doing right now, still figuring out what my target is, but I'm willing to make $250 to $300 for this session, London session, or this setup. After I take a loss, I might just show up late, in the New York session. So let's see how the specific trade will work out. So yeah, it's confirmed, guys. Let me just move this thing just to this level. 43. Yep. So I'm risking $100 for $320, So TP will be just right there because I believe, or rather, the market could go just to that point. But anyway, yeah, shut up. Let me show you guys the risk interview details. So, guys, the risk interview meeting will take place at 2:30 today, 2:30 p.m. And it will just be for 15 minutes. So we'll see how it goes, and I'll give you guys feedback on how it went. But anyway, after this interview, apparently we have to wait an extra 14 days. Then after this 14 days, that's when we'll be getting our payout. So yeah, it sucks, but you can't hate the player, hate the game. So anyway, shout out. Yo, trade update, guys. So actually, this is how the market has been moving since we entered our trade. It almost stopped us out actually, but I am seeing this pattern right here. So as soon as it breaks this trend line towards the downside, then I'll be confident, that we are selling or we might sell. And also, if it takes, this low right there, then I might be certain. But for now, anything could happen. But anyway, the risk was calculated, and we are ready for anything. We'll keep you updated. Shout out. Second trade update, guys. We've been taken out of this trade. We lost 1%, which is $100 on this specific trade. Anyway, see you in the New York session. Let's see if we're gonna win or not. Shout out. Yo, what's up, guys? Back again. Now we are in the New York session, and we just had our risk interview, I think, an hour ago. So how it went, just a short feedback. It was very short, guys. It was like 10 minutes, and they just ask about your strategy, like what did you trade, what indices or pair do you trade, what's your strategy, you have to explain your strategy, what's your risk per trade, and all that. Basically, that's all, and maybe extra stuff that you would want to share. But then they just told me that I should wait 14 days for feedback if whether I'm getting my payout or not. But anyway, we're hoping for the best. We're still praying for the best. Guys, with prayer, anything is possible. I've never been rejected a funded account. I think I have only once, but a lot have been, approved because of doing affirmations and praying. So anyway, make sure that you keep that department satisfied. Shout out. Yo, guys, enough about the interview, enough about that. Now it's time to trade. So anyway, I'm looking for sales actually. I'm looking for sales. So hopefully the market will push to the downside. So I'm entering just now, let me take my phone actually and execute. Yep. 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 Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Damn. Yeah, I think my TP, I want to put it at $400. So 1:4, 1:4, 1:4. Yep. So we are in New York session. Let me put my tools. As I said, I put these tools because they help me a lot when it comes to channeling. Where is it now? So I use these tools for channel purposes. I can easily track back and see that okay, this is where I entered. So we just executed our trade. Let's see where the market is pumping. We are in profits now, just a bit of profit. I would say break even. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Let's go, boy. Damn. $50 in profits. $60. Damn, it's pulling. It's pulling. It's too early to put break even, so I'm risking $100 on this trade actually. I don't know if I should minimize my stop loss. I just hope it doesn't stop hunt me. It has this tendency of stop hunting you, so I'm just gonna minimize my stop loss, guys. So I'm risking $70 now instead of $100. It's better than nothing. But anyway, we'll keep you updated on how this trade goes about. Shout out.
A few moments later.
Yo, guys, I'm crying, guys. What's this, guys? Like I said, my stop loss, and I just shifted. I had something to do. Then when I come back, this is what I see. Guys. This is what happens sometimes. Damn, bro. Like the market just took us out and literally went deep into profits. So anyway, let's see how it goes. Shout out. Yo, trade update, guys. Look at this fucking trade. Sorry for swearing. Sorry for swearing, guys. But
why are you running? Why are you?
look at this. Look at this. This thing just went past my TP. Yesterday we had a $700 day. Today could have been another $700 day, even more. But anyway, see you on the next episode. Shit like this takes place.